Hello, this is Jungle Kyle checking in with a quick tutorial on how an administrator can reset a user's password. This video will cover a situation in which a user forgets his or her password, so an administrator must log in to reset the password for the user. JungleDisk Workgroup user passwords are set and assigned by the account administrator, and as such, only administrators are able to change these passwords. So if you are watching this video and you are not the account administrator, please contact the admin on your account and maybe even point them in the direction of this video. If you are the admin, here's how you reset a user's password. So first you're going to navigate to secure.jungledisk.com. You're going to type in your email and your password. This is a test email. You're going to want to put in your email account. Once you log in, you should be brought to this screen right here. If you are not on this exact screen, don't worry. This next step is the same no matter what screen you're on. So you're going to go to the top left where it says Users, click it to bring the drop down and click Manage Users. This will pull up the users on your account. As you can see on this test account, I only have one, however you might have many that come down here. You're going to want to find the user in question who needs his or her password changed and click into their account. Once you click the user's account, you'll be brought here. Navigate to where it says password right here and click edit. At this point, you're going to be making a new password for the user. So you're going to want to type in a new password and click save. Now you have just updated the password for that user. At this point, you should share that new password with the user, and that will be the password they use to log into their account. Once they've logged in, they can change their password to whatever they need to, but for now, this is their password. We hope this video helps you reset a password for a user who has forgotten his or her password. As always, don't hesitate to reach out, email support@jungledisk.com, or call 888-573-8649. Thank you.